All right, so check it out. We are on board the latest Southport build here. As you can see, we've got our Garmin 54 Fantom radar going on. We've got our FLIR radar, our rigid light. Shannon's just wrapping up the loose ends here with Craig doing the wire pulls. So I thought I'd do a quick walkthrough. So you look behind us as we go back, you see that we have some purple lights turning to blue there. Why is that? Well, we've got the full Lumishore light package for underwater lighting, and that is controlled through our Luma Link on our Garmin display here. So we've got our full control for everything right there. We can pull up all of our zones and do our colors and do all of that good stuff. We've got a pair of 16-inch displays. We've got our GMI 20 right here with our grid remote. We have a pair of Icom VHF radios with built-in GPS antenna. We got our fusion control, our Edson wheel, Yamaha helm master going right there. Take a peek down below. Like I said, they're kind of in the home stretch, but you can see the wiring going on in here. Everything's getting labeled and nicely put to bed here. And it's one of the things you need to be looking out for, guys, when you're doing an install. Is it's nice if it looks all flashy here on the dash, but it also matters is what's going on below the dash. How serviceable, how accessible is everything, and are they taking consideration when they do those installs? And that's just another thing we do here. We make sure we have serviceability for future-proofing this so that everything's easier to work on. So yeah, just another thing we are going on here. Guys are hard at work. Wanted to show it off before this one hits the water up here in Maine. So these guys will get back to doing boat yoga here, pulling wires, and I'll get you some more footage. Peace.